Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you all are doing great. Today I am going to deliver my second English lecture for class K0. As I told you in my previous lecture about alphabet A to Z, in today's lecture we'll do practice again. So let's start. Now we'll write A. First we'll draw two slant lines and one slipping line like this. Now we'll draw a semicircle and draw its tail like this. It's A. Now B, a straight line and two half circles like this. Now small b, a straight line and a half circle. Now C, like this, and small c in two lines like this. Now D, a straight line and a half circle like this. Now a straight line and a half circle like this. D. It was page number 3. Now we'll go to the next page. Now we'll start writing on page number 4. The first alphabet is E, A. You have to draw a straight line like this and 3 slipping lines like this. Good. Now we'll draw a C shape and draw a line like this. Now F, we'll draw a straight line and 2 slipping lines like this. Now small f will like this. You have to be careful with G. Draw a big C and now like this. Now small g, a circle, a straight line and a curve like this. H, 2 straight lines and 1 slipping line in between. Now small h, a straight line and like this. Now you have to practice this all on this page, and we'll go on the next page, which is page number 5, and the first alphabet is I, E. I is straight line and small I like this. Now J, capital J will be in upper 3 lines and small j will be in the last 3 lines like this. K, a straight line and 2 slant line like this. Small k will be straight line and 2 slant lines in the between 2 lines. L, a straight line and a slipping line, and small l will be like this. Now practice this all on this page. Now the next page is page number 6, which is our last page for today. M, 2 straight lines and 2 slant lines in between. Small m like this. Now N, like this. Now small n straight line and a curve like this. Okay. Now O, we'll write O and small o in 2 lines like this. P, capital P will be in the upper 3 lines like this, and small p will be in the last 3 lines like this. Now practice this page. I'll see you in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.